Hey guys, we received this forevermore portfolios or the Padfolios, the binder for test and try. So comes in a really nice gift box, and you can also give it as a gift to the others. Comes in a really premium packing, and the feel is a fox leather on the top with the logo on the back. Stitching and everything looks really nice and premium. There's a back pocket you can use in your quick access document or the stuff. It's have a big zipper in here, so this helpful, like the documents still should not come. So yep, so big zipper here, so you can just open. So this binder also like three clip binder that you can see, and there's a notepad. So you can also replace the notepad and put in some important like the mobile or anything here in this zipper pocket, so that will be more safe. And then all the documents and stuff in the back. You can also put small electronics like your iPad or something. And then this have this ring binder that you can also switch. And these are the small windows for the cards and everything. And for your ID, a transparent clear window on the bottom. And then also this clip you can just put in the stuff and take out the things. So basically, a very nice thing for having everything in one place, protective covering with a premium look. Looks good in the hand, and then take anywhere you want for the use. You can have this all the letters. So basically, a very nice pet folio.